here are my 2000 engines. Thomas first. On the wheel, it says 2000. Yep. Next one, so handle. I have a lot of handles. Even though I really want to get PU Sand because I have Duke. 2000 on the wheel as well. This one's the old style one. I have the one that came with the ice cream factory. One of the extras. He's the biggest one out of all of them. The Flying Scotsman. His wheels are dated 2000. On this tender, that one, it 2000, it says. And this one, 2000 as well. There's the Scotsman. Bill. No name on the bottom, even though I got the own bed at the same time.